shit. Hey, so this is still titled Holiday Hilarity at the moment, but I'm gonna end up changing it. I'm just doing this really quick. I had a person basically ask, how do you stream on an X? Well, there are several different things that you might have to take into consideration. One of them is you may have to go into your account and privacy settings. Privacy, custom, sharing outside of the Xbox. Others can share your media, share your side of social media. You may have to allow these settings. Let's see. Education and mobile. Let's go in here. You can join. You want to make sure this is on and set to everyone. You want to make sure this is set to everyone. This is set to everyone. I don't think that one's super necessary. You want to allow captures to Xbox. Everyone on the internet. Oh, this one right here is the most important. Right here. Live stream gameplay. You want to go, so to get here, just so you guys are aware, all right? I'm gonna go from from the top. So in your settings, so from, let's say you're looking at, oh, I deep dove into that today. All right. So from your main screen, you're gonna hit the X on the controller. You're gonna go all the way over here, go to your settings, right? Then you're gonna go to account, privacy, online safety. You have a privacy block on the thing. You're gonna put in your little pin thing. And you're gonna go to Xbox privacy. Um, view more details and customize. You're gonna go down to game content. You're gonna go over to live stream gameplay. You're gonna make sure this is allowed. You will not be able to stream at all if this says block. And I would do this anyways, just in case, going forward, you decide you want to use like a webcam or anything like that. Um, yeah. And then after you do that, right? So you're gonna have to link your Twitch account to your Xbox. I'm only able to do this because I'm using a capture card, so I can show you how this goes. So basically, you go back to the home screen, then you go over to capture and share tab from the Xbox menu button, and you're gonna see some stuff here. One of them should say like live stream, start your live stream, or your capture settings. I always like to go into my capture settings and just double check these. If you don't want your stuff to save to your OneDrive, don't upload. Um, all you can have it set to not upload all of your captures. So if you screenshot something or something like that, you can record up to 1 minute of standard definition resolution at 1080p, or you can record up to 3 minutes max. This is just if you're doing like the quick screenshot that has nothing to do with streaming whatsoever. But I do always like to check those just to make sure they're kind of irrelevant to streaming. Then go back into here and you're gonna hit where it says live streaming, start your live stream. Let's see what happens when it loads up. So I've already got mine connected, so it's not gonna show. But you go into that and you don't have an account logged up. So from like if you were gonna set up from scratch, it's gonna look a little different when it loads up. It's gonna say you need to connect your Twitch account. And one of the things you're gonna have to do is basically go in, and when you select like your destination, it'll say live stream, Streamlabs, Twitch. Those are basically different platform avenues. The other two literally feed right into Twitch. So yeah, it's kind of silly. Hey, Emmy. I'm just setting up a video so I don't have to set up my camera and stuff like that to record a little tutorial for one of my friends that asked me how to do streaming on Xbox. So I'm just in the middle of explaining that really quick, and then I'm gonna shut this down and open up an actual stream on a different game. So back to what I was saying. So like all three of these all lead to the same place. Steam Labs, it's just like a thing like OBS, which is open broadcast, or open broadcast software. It's open source. It's free. You don't have to pay. One of these two you do have to pay for. I don't remember which one, and the other one is basically just a legit rehash of OBS. I mean, they both are. One of them just use their open source software and basically trademarked it and are trying to make a profit off somebody else's work. So they're basically, copywriting open source material, which is stupid. Yeah, it's like the people that go around trying to make freaking music claims on other people's music on streams and stuff just because, they have nothing better to do with their life. Go eat a dick or something. Seriously. Um, anyways, so after you select your destination, right? It'll let's say you click Twitch. You click Twitch. It's gonna basically tell you need to log in, and it's gonna open up a Twitch page. And on that page, it's gonna either tell you to log in, or it's going to give you like a QRC code type of deal, and basically say, hey, you can go to this website, or you can scan this from your phone and use your phone to log in. And it basically links your Xbox to your Twitch account. You can do that right in the Xbox. It does have a browser that you can go to twitch.com and all that stuff. If like you don't have a computer, I highly recommend doing it from your phone. But whatever you do not do this. Do not go and install the Twitch app thinking it's going to help you get through that because it is not. By all means, if you want to watch Twitch from your Xbox, go right ahead and install the Twitch app. It does work. It works completely fine. It's taking a minute or two because I never fucking use the thing. I stream, I don't watch. So, like, I mean, I do, but there's like 5 people I watch on Twitch, honestly. Um, See, look, mine's not even signed in. So you don't need that. And hitting this broadcast button does nothing for you. See, it's literally going to tell you to do that. So you can, and I mean, an easy way to do it, I guess, would be to install the Twitch app and then go and try to broadcast, and it literally tells you exactly how to set up and stream from the X. But either way, you don't actually need this app if you're not super tech savvy. Then the app is your best course of action. Otherwise, there are several other tutorials online. I'm not going to mention any of their names because they don't help me at all to mention their names. But check out mine and yeah, let me know. If you have any questions, anything like that, you can leave a comment on YouTube or you can, always just leave a message in my chat or DM me here on Twitch. Thanks. You guys have a great day. Bye.